How can I get more help to understand what's on offer? If you've enjoyed listening a little bit about SharePoint and it's something you're interested in, my first recommendation would be to seek out April Dunham's session, Introduction to SharePoint. Type it into the search bar on the Academy and you'll find it right away. It's a great introduction to some of the terms that I've touched on here, but goes a little deeper over the 45 minutes. If you're interested in how Microsoft SharePoint sits amongst the Power Platform, for example, or wider Microsoft 365 services, head over to the micro course, Microsoft 365 Foundations, to see it in its wider context. If this triggers your interest, then why not try out one of our 5-day challenges? These are designed to help give you experience of what SharePoint can offer to you, but also how it integrates seamlessly back and forth to other Microsoft 365 services. So I hope you've enjoyed this course, and I hope to see you soon in the Academy.